Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: account, billing, and conversion tracking. Get GA4 linked and a conversion tag firing. Then pick a single winning product and verify supplier inventory so you won't pause campaigns later. Build a focused landing page with a visible CTA and a short product video. This reduces bounce rate. Once done, draft 3 ad headlines and 2 descriptions, and prepare 3 high-quality images. Make sure payment and shipping info are visible to avoid friction at checkout. Now you build campaigns. Start with a performance max or combined search and smart shopping approach to cover intent and discovery. Create responsive search ads, 3 to 5 ad groups, and populate each with 15 to 20 relevant keywords plus negatives. Set audience signals: past visitors, lookalikes, and high intent in market segments. Bid conservatively at first, $10 to $30 per day, and monitor cost per conversion. Once you collect 7 to 10 days of data, pause losers, refine creatives, and reallocate spend to top performers. Finish by optimizing for ROAS and conversion rate. Review CTR, cost per acquisition, and landing page behavior, then adjust bids and replace underperforming assets weekly. Test price points, bundle offers, and shipping thresholds to lift average order value. If you scale, set target ROAS rules and broaden audience signals gradually. If performance suddenly drops, troubleshoot immediately. Verify conversion tags, check merchant feed for disapprovals, and resolve audience overlap or duplicate campaigns. Those are the most common silent killers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.